Hello and welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life. Have you ever wondered why the Pesarattu served in traditional Andhra homes and restaurants has those irresistibly crispy golden edges, while the one we make at home often turns out soft, pale, or even breaks apart? The good news is that making the perfect Pesarattu isn't difficult. Once you know a few simple secrets, in today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right ingredients and preparing the perfect batter to mastering the cooking techniques that guarantee delicious results every single time. And if you'd like the complete written recipe with detailed tips and measurements, you'll find the link to our blog in the description below. So, let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's understand what makes Pesarattu so special. Unlike a regular dosa, which is made using rice and urad dal and needs overnight fermentation, Pesarattu is prepared using whole green moong dal. That means no waiting for fermentation, making it a quick and convenient meal for busy mornings. But convenience isn't its only advantage. Green moong is naturally rich in protein, fibre, vitamins, and minerals. It keeps you full for longer, provides sustained energy, and has a lower glycemic index compared to many traditional breakfast options. Whether you're looking for a healthy breakfast, a light lunch, or even a wholesome dinner, Pesarattu is one recipe that deserves a permanent place in your weekly menu. The secret to an outstanding Pesarattu begins long before you switch on the stove. It starts with selecting the right ingredients. Always choose fresh whole green moong dal that is bright green, uniform in size and free from any musty smell. Fresh dal absorbs water evenly and produces a smoother batter. To enhance the flavor, add fresh ginger, green chilies, cumin seeds and salt. A small handful of rice is another wonderful addition if you enjoy extra crispy Pesarattu. If you prefer a grain-free version, simply skip the rice. And if you want a milder flavor, replace the green chilies with freshly crushed black pepper. Simple ingredients, but together they create incredible flavor. Now let's prepare what is probably the most important part of this recipe. The batter. Soak the green moong for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Proper soaking softens the dal and helps create a smoother batter. While grinding, add water gradually. Your batter should have a consistency similar to pancake batter, not too thick and certainly not watery. A thick batter produces heavy doughy Pesarattu, while a thin batter tears apart on the pan. Another useful tip is to add salt only after grinding. This helps preserve the texture and gives you better control over the final consistency. Getting the batter right is the biggest step towards making perfect Pesarattu. Now comes the exciting part. Cooking a well-seasoned cast iron tawa is ideal because it distributes heat evenly and creates that beautiful golden crust. A good non-stick pan works too, but cast iron gives the best flavor and texture. Heat the pan until it's moderately hot, not smoking hot. Pour a ladle of batter in the center and spread it outward in smooth circular motions. Keep the layer thin for maximum crispiness. Drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges and allow the Pesarattu to cook undisturbed. When the edges naturally lift and turn golden brown, flip it just once and cook briefly on the other side. That single flip is all it needs. One of the best things about Pesarattu is how versatile it can be. The classic Andhra favorite is undoubtedly Pesarattu upma, a delightful combination of crispy crepe and soft flavorful upma. If you're looking for variety, try stuffing it with paneer bhurji, spicy potato masala, sauté mushrooms, or colorful mixed vegetables. Before the batter finishes cooking, sprinkle finely chopped onions, grated ginger, fresh coriander, and a dash of crushed black pepper directly on top. A light drizzle of ghee adds an irresistible aroma and elevates the flavor to restaurant quality. Every filling brings a new experience, making this dish exciting every time you prepare it. A great Pesarattu deserves equally delicious accompaniments. Traditional coconut chutney offers a creamy contrast to the earthy flavor of green moong. Tomato chutney brings tanginess and a gentle spice. Peanut chutney adds richness and a wonderfully nutty flavor. But if there's one pairing that's considered truly authentic in Andhra cuisine, it's ginger chutney. Its combination of ginger, tamarind, jaggery, and red chilies creates the perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors. Complete your meal with a cup of filter coffee or a refreshing glass of buttermilk, and you have a breakfast that's both nourishing and unforgettable. Even experienced home cooks sometimes make a few simple mistakes that affect the final result. Avoid adding too much water while grinding. It's always easier to thin the batter later than to fix an overly runny mixture. Don't spread the batter on a pan that's too hot or too cold. Medium-high heat gives the most consistent results. Resist the temptation to flip the Pesarattu too early. Let the edges become crisp and release naturally from the pan. If you have leftover batter, refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Before using it again, simply stir well and adjust the consistency with a little water if needed. These small tips make a remarkable difference. Making perfect Pesarattu isn't about complicated techniques, it's about mastering a few simple fundamentals. Choose fresh ingredients, prepare a smooth batter with the right consistency, use a properly heated pan, spread the batter thinly, allow it to cook patiently, and don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings and chutneys until you discover your family's favorite combination. Once you've made it a few times, you'll be surprised at how effortlessly you can prepare crispy, flavorful pesarattu that rivals your favorite South Indian restaurant. And that's how you can make delicious, crispy Andhra style pesarattu every single time. I hope these simple techniques and practical tips inspire you to try this wonderful recipe in your own kitchen. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll find yourself making it again and again for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. If you'd like the complete written recipe, along with detailed measurements, step-by-step instructions, and additional serving suggestions, be sure to visit our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. Here at Variety is the spice of life. We bring you much more than recipes. We also share practical fitness advice, fascinating astrology insights, inspiring life stories, and thoughtful ideas to help you live a healthier, happier, and more meaningful life. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, variety truly is the spice of life.